Topic natin for today is very exciting. Forex technically is palitan lang naman siya ng national currency.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Concepcion. So I'm one of the coaches here in FXRE Learning Hub. I might say na yung crowd ngayon for this batch is very overwhelming turuan kasi sobrang participative nila. And nakakatuwa kasi nakikita mo talaga na ginagawa nila yung part nila sa mga every activities na pinapagawa namin sa kanila.
I'm Michelle Passion and I'm a business owner from Pangasinan. Ang pinaka-importante when it comes to trading is the risk management. At bukod doon, yung fundamentals na napaka-importante na minsan hindi na-apply ng ibang traders. Kaya malaking pasasalamat po, especially kay Coach Edsel, na nirecommend sa akin itong FX Robot Empire na mag-enroll and ma-expand yung knowledge ko when it comes to trading.
Nag-negative lang, nag-out ka na. Nag-retrace lang yan. Babawi yan.
I'm Noel M. Herong. They call me Uncle Nonoy in Cagayan de Oro. I'm from Cagayan de Oro. My first day here I was so impressed that mayroon palang ganito na they will teach us how to trade. My expectation when I'm finished with this is that I will be profitable in trading, and of course, after learning, it will be earning. And then I always believe on the abbreviation of LESS. Learn, earn, share, and spread.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Marichoy Rangan. Upon attending this program, mas madami akong natutunan. Nakakatulong itong program natin to make sure that we will be equipped with the tools and the knowledge and skills as well that we needed to pursue our trading programs and our trading endeavors as well.
Excited rin ako i-deliver yung aking knowledge.
Hi, I'm Alex Badaos. Expectation for the training after the 3 days. I hope I have the tool ready to start the Forex business and the information that I need, and also ready for the new venture of Forex trading.
I'm Sir Wiki. So about experience sa trading, medyo bloody po. Napakahirap pong umpisahan. Pero sabi ng mga mentor, natututunan din naman natin yan by inch. So napakalaking bagay po na nakilala ko Forex Empire. Also, thanks to Boss Edsel.
I'm Atora. I was invited to learn about Forex trading. From that, it was a very good experience. I learned a lot about emotion control and technical analysis.
Hi, I'm Nars Paraguya. So yung expectation ko lang naman is matuto ako ng basic at saka yung mga fundamentals sa Forex trading. However, sa first day pa lang nag-over-deliver na sila. Napakaganda at napakaraming natutunan namin, which is very important sa Forex trading. So for me, sulit na sulit yung pagpunta ko dito at pag-attend ko sa training.
I'm Coach Jason, one of the coaches at Learning Hub. Share ko lang my experience teaching our students sa Batch 2. Sobrang solid kasi responsive and eager to learn ang mga students, especially sa topic ko, risk management and trading psychology. Lahat sila tinamaan at natuto. So I highly suggest our future students to enroll and experience our world-class Forex education.
Hello guys, my name is Coach Eman. So ako yung head coach ngayon nitong Learning Hub na under ni FX Robot Empire. Isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng Learning Hub natin is yung face-to-face experience nila sa trading, and at the same time dito mas madedevelop yung kanilang habits, discipline, at tutulungan namin sila as coaches na talagang maging profitable na traders sila.
Hi, I'm Catherine Flores, COO of FX Robot Empire. So with this batch, I'm very happy kasi nakita ko sa batch na to na they're eager to learn. Yung purpose ng FXRE Learning Hub is to teach them, to align them sa kung ano ba yung dapat gawin nila sa trading journey nila.
Hi guys, so I'm Edsel Flores, founder ng FXRE Learning Hub, and ngayon tapos na yung second batch namin ng 3 days Forex course. So, grabe, sobrang saya, sobrang daming natutunan. Excited na silang i-execute. And meron nga dito, parang second day pa lang, trade na sila. And excited na rin ako sa darating na batch, which is batch 3 sa January 27-29. Looking forward ako sa inyo dahil sobrang dami na naman na matututunan, sobrang dami na matututo ng high-paying skills nito, which is Forex trading. See you there!